Hey everyone, how you doing? So I'm making dinner tonight in the slow cooker. It's the first time I've used this slow cooker. I only bought it the other day. So I'm making, I think it's called a creamy sun-dried tomato chicken. So what I'm doing first is, I don't have a large Ziploc bag. You could probably do it in a bowl, but I'm just going to do like one at a time in a Ziploc bag. So I've got a bit more than a quarter of a cup of flour in there, but so a quarter cup of flour, teaspoon of salt. I'm just gonna put some in. You know, just enough there. And it says pepper, which I forgot to get out of the cupboard, sorry. Pepper, which is what, half a teaspoon. Done. So I also have to put, hang on, let me put the fry pan on. To do that, and I have to put some oil in. I'm just using this extra virgin olive oil, the Cobram Estate one, the classic flavour. Just put some in there. I'm actually going to turn this down to low. So salt and pepper's in there, so shake that up. And then we're just going to do our chicken. Find the knife. There we go. And it says to use chicken breast, but we prefer thighs, so I'm using the chicken thighs. Now there's 9 in here. I think it says to use 4 chicken breasts, so it serves 4. But I'm doing this amount because we'll have leftovers too, so Matthew can take to work tomorrow. He's currently at work now. What else? Okay, so I'm going to use my hands. I know some people don't like it, but I will wash them. It's just the chicken thighs. These don't have the bones. So I'm just going to do that. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll come back and show you when I put it in the fry pan. Okay, now I can only fit 3 at a time in the fry pan. So I'm going to do that. You cook them 2 minutes on each side, and then you put them in your slow cooker or crock pot, whatever you have. So I'm going to do that now, and then I'll come back in a sec and we'll do the rest. Alrighty, so I've just got the last lot of chicken in the pan at the moment. So these ones have already browned here. I'm going to put them in the bottom of your crock pot, slow cooker, whatever you want. I just sprayed it with some spray. So I'm just going to put these in there. still juice that coming out of them, but that's from just them being brown. Now they're not going to all be flat on the bottom or be on top of each other, they'll still cook. And just that extra, I'm still going to put that juice in there. And these ones are now done. These ones have a little bit more brown on them, so I left them on one side a little bit too long. So I'm just going to put them in. I know they won't be cooked through, but that's the point. You just want to start the process, and then so now we've done that. Just looking on the iPad over here at what's next. A chicken stock and sun-dried tomatoes. Now I don't have chicken stock, but I do have veggie stock, so I'm going to use this veggie stock. Now it is how much? 2 cups. So we'll measure it. If I can find the cups. Is that the 1 cup? It's half a cup. I don't know where the 1 cup has gone, so I'll just do 4 of these. Just chuck that in the bin. Don't need that. Oh, just check that I turned the stove off. I did. So if I didn't have this veggie stock, I would have had to use beef stock, and I don't think it'd be as nice. One. 2. 3. 4. So 4 cups of stock. Use any type of stock you like. Alrighty, now that's in. What was it next? Chicken stock, sun-dried tomatoes and basil. Alrighty, sun-dried tomatoes. I'm putting the whole lot in. You put it all in, put it in, plus the oil it's in, whatever it is. It says half a cup. Well, I'm just not going to use these for anything else, so I'm just going to put the whole thing in on top. Alrighty, it's done. Just going to grab tongs just to move them around a bit. Alrighty. Then the basil, which I just have this stuff. It's probably a bit close. Sorry, hang on, let me. Okay, there we go. Alright, how much does it say? Basil. It says 2 tablespoons. But I'm just gonna sprinkle. I don't know how much that was, but probably about half the bag, which is what, 10 grams. So about 5 grams. But I can use that for something else. And then what do? Cook on low for about 4 hours until chicken is cooked through completely. Add cream and serve. Okay, so I didn't need to get the cream out. So I've got it here already on low. Grab my lid. So cook on low. And then I'll set a timer for 4 hours, come and check it, and add the cream out to that, and then serve it. We're going to serve it with some mashed potatoes. So we'll be back when it's time to do all that. Alright, so now I've put this on to warm. I'm now going to put the cream in. I will link the recipe down below. So put some cream in there. Thickened cream or heavy cream, whatever you call it. We call it thickened cream. Okay, I think that will be enough. Just gonna mix it around. Chicken's really tender. It's turning into like reading apart in here. Doesn't look the best. It'll never look like it does on the thing, but yeah, this doesn't seem to be thickening up. But I did everything right. So we'll see. I might have to put a thickener in there because it's supposed to be a lot thicker than that. But anyway, it doesn't matter. That's that there. I have potatoes behind me on the stove boiling so I can mash them. So I'll be back when I dish up. Okay everyone, so here's dinner all dished up. So it's creamy sun-dried tomato chicken. I will hopefully remember to put a link to the recipe I got off Pinterest in the description. So thanks for watching everyone. Don't forget to give you a thumbs up, subscribe somewhere down below, press the bell notification, comment, all that jazz, and I'll see you next time. Bye.